In this video, you will find easy-to-follow instructions for assembling the Enduro Deluxe office chair by Paygo. So let's get started. Included in the box are 5 casters, the base, gas lifter, Posture Sure 3-lever seat slide mechanism attached to seat, back assembly, a pair of adjustable arms, 6 screws, and Allen key for attaching the arms. To start, turn the base upside down and place on a flat surface. Insert the 5 casters into the base, pushing down firmly until you feel a click. Flip the base over and insert the gas lifter into the centre of the base, like so. Part 1 is complete. Next, place the seat on a raised flat surface. Now it's time to attach the arms to the seat using the 6 screws and the Allen key. Once the arms are securely attached, place the seat onto the gas lifter. Finish by inserting the back into the upright behind the seat. Press down firmly until the back clicks into place. The ratchet back system will now operate. And there you have it, the Enduro Deluxe chair by Paygo. Thanks for watching, and congratulations on a great new addition to your home or office.